everyone. My name is Pat Sorio and I'm running as an independent candidate for the position of Executive Treasurer. Back when I was a frosh, I was just your typical student who wanted to focus on her academics. But everything changed when I joined the university student government. A lot of you may be wondering why I decided to run as treasurer. Being the treasurer involves knowing the nitty-gritty of the financial processes, being the representative for the multi-sectoral committee on student fees, and ensuring transparency, accountability, and efficiency of the USG financial system. I have experience working under the office of the treasurer for 2 years already, with the work scope moving from micro to macro. Before we implement programs for our university, let us first go back to the basics. We have to go back to the basics because there's a lack of momentum in the progress of the USG. This is evident in details such as availability of funds, processing period for activities, and transparency of reports. We need to begin where we can point out the true north and set parameters to guide the present and the future. My platform revolves around SSS. And yes, it has a new meaning now. The first S is system. This is to ensure that the USG Executive Treasurer is executing his or her duties as a custodian of the USG funds and enforce standard operating procedures within the USG with regards to financial system. This is transparency and accountability. The second S is service. After fixing and improving the financial system, the office can start providing services to the students. The last S is scholarship. More than just giving services to the student body, let us also provide opportunities to each and every Lasallian. This is my last year in this university. There are a lot of other opportunities available for me. With that, I have made a choice. A choice to chase and fight for my dream of being of service to my fellow Lasallians. The office of the treasurer gave me an avenue of being of service as an elected officer for Excel 2014 and as an appointed officer in said office. It is time for me to pay back to the office that molded me for who I am today. This entire general elections experience is more than just a dream. I am thankful to have been given the opportunity to actually share my platform and vision to my fellow Lasallians. Let us not forget the